Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably considering transferring your assets to Raymond James, a trusted name in wealth management. Whether you're switching from another brokerage for better services, lower fees, or personalized advice, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, why Raymond James? They offer a range of investment options, from stocks and bonds to retirement accounts, with a focus on client relationships. But before you start, make sure you have all your asset details handy, like your current account statements, which will list what you're transferring, such as IRAs, 401ks, or mutual funds. Step 1. Open an account with Raymond James if you haven't already. Head to their website or visit a local branch. You'll need to provide basic info like your ID, social security number, and employment details. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes online. Next, initiate the transfer. Log into your new Raymond James account and look for the Transfer Assets section. You'll fill out a form specifying what you're moving and from where. Raymond James uses the ACAT system for most transfers, which is automated and secure. Think of it as a digital handshake between brokerages. Now, here's a key tip. Double-check everything. Assets can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks to transfer, depending on the type and your current provider. Keep an eye on any fees. Raymond James might waive them for new clients, but it's worth confirming. Once submitted, you'll get confirmation emails, and you can track the progress online. If you hit any snags, like missing paperwork, their customer support is top-notch. Just give them a call. Wrapping this up, transferring assets to Raymond James can be a smart move for your financial future. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor to ensure this aligns with your goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.